I'd like to welcome everybody today to our new aftermarket showcase here at the Edward J. Rapp Customer and Training Center. I'm here with Michael Bastian. We're going to take you on a tour.
All right, so welcome to our aftermarket showroom. I want to show you a couple things that we have here in the showroom today. One of them is the new QR codes that we start installing on our machines in 2022. So anybody that has one of these, a cell phone, I can go to the camera on my cell phone. I can scan the QR code, which we're going to look at the small wheel loader option. Click on the link here, and it's going to take me to a support page out there on the web where I can then look up genuine cat parts. I can look at reference guides. I can pull up tech specs. I've got everything in the palm of my hand now. Okay, and the next portion that I want to show you in our aftermarket showroom is our parts and talk about our customer value agreements for a second here. So this is a typical display of components that needed service for a compact track loader or a skid steer loader. You have your 500-hour service. You can see what the 1,000-hour service looks like, and then the 1,500-hour service. Now, one of the things we talk about with those parts is you can go to parts.cat.com and order them, or you can set up a CVA or a customer value agreement, which what this does is it gives us a hassle-free ownership to maximize the use of our machine. You can literally have the dealership set up and maintain and watch when you need your service intervals. They will contact you, help you schedule it, and all of that can be done with a CVA. Okay, one of the other things I want to talk about in our aftermarket showroom is when you go to parts.cat.com, you can order your retrofit kits, upgrade kits. You can order ground engagement tools from there, from cutting edges to tips for your mulchers, to tips for your buckets. There's over 1.4 million parts on parts.cat.com that you can order. Okay, and the last thing that I want to show you is parts.cat.com. So we've showed you how the QR codes work. We've showed you the different parts for service. We talked about CVAs, retrofit kits, but here's parts.cat.com. Very easy, you can go in and register. Once you register, you can put your equipment identification in there. You can order your components right online, have them shipped to your front door.
Michael, thanks for taking us on a tour of the aftermarket showcase. Now at the Edward J. Rapp Customer and Training Center, we have the ability to show you how your CAT machines are being built across the street at the Clayton plant. And out front, we could show you how well our machines perform. And with this new showcase, we could show you how well we service your machines to last the life cycle and keep them up and running. For more information, contact your local CAT dealer.